Most webinars don't do as well as they could. And it's not because the topic is bad. And it's not because people don't show up, but because people waste time on things that don't move the needle. So today, I'm giving you the things that matter in a webinar. The things that you say that make all the money. Master these and you'll convert like crazy. Ignore them and you'll keep wondering why nobody buys. So let's get into it. High converting webinars have 3 non-negotiables: the hook, the content structure, and the offer. Let me explain. The hook. If they don't stay, they don't buy. Next, the content structure. If they don't trust you, they don't buy. And the offer. If they don't want it, well, you guessed it, they don't buy. And that's it. Not your fancy slides, not your Q&A, and definitely not your overcomplicated funnel. These 3 elements control your results. So let's break them down. Webinar drop-off rates can be brutal. Most people leave in the first 5 minutes. Why is that? Well, it's probably because you want to start off your webinar with fluff, and you forgot to give them a reason to stay. So here's how most webinars begin. Hey everyone, thanks for being here. My name is Alex and I'm so excited to be here today. And before we get started, I want to tell you all about me. In 2019, I was part of the team that generated $500,000 in revenue. And they're gone. Instead, open your webinar with something like this. Start by calling out their problem. Most people who try to be consistent at the gym fail miserably. Here's why. And then promise the payoff. By the end of this webinar, you'll know exactly how to reach and keep your fitness goals. And then create urgency. If you miss one part of this, you'll struggle for years and stay in the same shape you're in now or worse. And don't forget to give them a reason to stay. At the end of this webinar, I'm giving out a bonus gift, and you have to stay till the end to find out what it is. So the goal is to lock them in immediately. If you can't keep them, well, then you can't sell them. So before I show you how to make your content convert, here's a question for you to consider. What if your audience was already sold before you even made your pitch? Well, that's exactly what we're doing right now. So let's talk about your content structure. You probably think value equals information. It doesn't. Value equals transformation. People don't just want to learn. They want results. So instead of dumping 30 minutes of theory on them, do this instead. Expose the old way that doesn't work. They'll realize that they need to change. Then show the new way that does work, and they'll start to believe in your method. And then prove it with testimonials. They'll trust it if it works for other people. So let me give you an example. If you're selling a fitness program, don't teach the macros and muscle groups. Instead, start off by stating a fact. People create fitness goals and join a gym at the beginning of the year, then they stop going to the gym by April. Now reveal your proven method, which is to have an accountability partner, or better yet, a fitness coach who is financially responsible for you to be shredded by the end of the year. Then back it up with people talking about their results from having an accountability partner all year long. Okay, less teaching, more belief building. That's what makes people buy. Now, we need an offer so good that they feel stupid saying no. And the best webinars, they don't sell, they make the offer a no-brainer. Here's how to do that. Anchor the value. Show them the true cost of doing nothing. You could say, most people think joining a new, fancier gym will fix all of your fitness problems. Okay? Then go into the price justification, where you compare your offer to a worse, more expensive alternative. So here's an example of that. That's why most people waste 5 years of their life and thousands of dollars in gym membership fees trying to figure this thing out on their own. Okay? Today, you get the entire group fitness accountability system for $397. And that includes access to all my workouts, so you'll never not know what to do when you arrive at the gym. Okay? And then the risk reversal. This is where you make it impossible to say no. Simply put, if this doesn't work, you don't pay. Okay? And this is where you tie in your guarantee. So a strong offer makes the decision obvious. And when done right, people don't think, should I buy? They think, how fast can I buy? Just give me the link, right? Okay, so you learned that most people waste time on things that don't matter in their webinar. Now you know better. Hook them early, structure your content for transformation, not information overload, and make your offer so good that they feel dumb saying no. Do this and your webinar will print money. So if you're wondering where to start, I engineered AI-powered prompts that'll build, market, and sell your webinar for you. It's called Fearless Webinar Academy, and it's free, no catch. After you sign up, it gives you proven prompts so you can copy, paste, and profit. The link is in the description. So now you have two choices. You can keep grinding, spending hours trying to figure this thing out alone. Maybe watch some more YouTube videos about webinars. Or you can shortcut everything, get my AI-powered prompts that do the work for you, and finally start building a webinar that prints money. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.